Hello, hello from Slovenia again. Today I have this little 8 by 8 inch canvas that I washed off, I don't know what, so you know, if you don't like some of your pores, you can wash it off and reuse your canvas. And I will play with chameleon cells today, and I will add some white on the bottom, and this is my consistency. This one is probably not the best, maybe quinacridone magenta. See, I'm not quite good at as in this flip cups, so but I like this chameleon cells technique. I don't know what is with me lately that I grabbed this silicone out again, and I didn't use silicone much lately, but I use titanium white and Amsterdam permanent, permanent blue violet, and Vallejo quinacridone magenta, and Arties colors cadmium orange hue. I like this color combination. You know that these colors go well together. Just for me, I don't know, maybe for someone. I think that this orange is a little thicker than other paints. We will see. It's hard to get them to the exact right consistency, so and I will try to do a little lip, and this is the thing that I'm not good at neither. So if you want to see a good flip and lip, probably Karen from Waterfall Acrylics will be the right address. So I just add it. I lately, when I do this pores with silicone, I normally use this Vallejo silicone oil because it's really easy to clean off, and you don't have as much troubles with cleaning it off. I just wipe my painting with baby wipes, and it's all gone, and I really like that because it's kind of hard sometimes to clean your silicone off the paintings, so because you have to before you varnish it. So let's see. I don't have any silicone in these paints, and you see that I did get some cells already, because I don't know, I think that This has to have something with my pouring medium. What I use as my pouring medium, you can see I have mixing paints link into the description box. I did some tutorials with glue too, so you have a playlist. Where is my torch? So you see, we'll just pop up these air bubbles a little bit. Really weird. No, it's not weird. I know that I get cells just from my pouring medium, so I will just use a little corner catcher because I don't know if I have enough paint at all. Move. I will go to this side next. Back to the middle. This side. I have to just tilt a little more off there. Now I will just you see how I'm not good at this lipping thing. And I don't like this big cell here, so see why you want to have enough paint so you can tilt off some parts that you don't like. Okay, this will be for the first part. I will just wipe my hands a little bit. Just a second. And I will torch it once again. And here I have my silicone oil and my skewer. And let's see. See, these are the things that I did with the skewer, kind of a leaves or something. These are flowers with chameleon cells flowers. I don't know how to say differently. So I don't know, I am kind of happy, not completely. I have to practice this lip technique definitely, because I'm definitely not good at it, but I will practice and watch more of Karen's from Waterfall Acrylics videos, and maybe I will get better. Maybe Karen can give me some advice. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.